Here's how to make your Snapchat account private. Now, if you don't necessarily want people to be able to find you on Snapchat, you don't want them to basically look up your phone number, email address, any of those things and be able to find your account. I'll show you how to make those private. So let's hop into Snapchat here and we'll tap on our profile at the top left. Now let's hit that gear icon at the top right. And we're going to do a couple different things. One is let's hop into phone number here. And you can see let others find me using my mobile number. Now, if that's toggled on, anybody that has you in their contacts list can just find you by syncing their contacts with Snapchat. So I recommend turning that off so that nobody will be able to find you from your phone number. Make sure that's private. Now, the next thing we're going to do is go back and we're going to scroll down. And as we scroll down, you can see contact me here and tap on that. Now, the key is if this is set to everyone, then everyone will be able to find you and contact you. However, if you don't want random people or maybe people you know in real life to be able to find you and contact you, you can switch this to only your current friends, and then no one else will be able to contact you. This prevents anyone else from basically being able to see you, all that stuff. And then the last thing you can do is hit this see me in quick add and make sure this is toggled off. Essentially, this will prevent Snapchat from recommending your profile to other people. So by going through all of these steps, you'll help prevent any of those unwanted strangers or people that you might know in real life that you don't necessarily want to friend you on Snapchat. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.